Hey, it's the Arm Dude here. Hey, I got another new BIE view I want to talk to you about, and this is one we've added to the latest IRD for version 4.5 of our ARM software. It's called Items, Top Sales, and Rentals. Now, this is a great way to look at your top performing items, whether it's a quantity rented, quantity sold, dollars rented, dollars sold. There's a variety of ways that you can go out and slice and dice the information. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do just that. We're going to go in and create our own custom view. So stay tuned and let's go look at the item, top sales, and rentals view.
Okay, well, let's go in and look at the new view that we've added to help you look at your top items. You're going to find it under your ARM folder and in the Explore folder. So here it is, right here, Item, Top Sales, and Rentals. This is the one we're going to talk about today. Now, when you go into the view for the first time, you're going to come into your standard setting. Now, this, we're just accumulating all the data that we have available to us, and this will be looking at whatever fiscal years are still on file. And you can see the initial groupings that we're doing: warehouse code, fiscal year, top sales and rentals from a dollars perspective, and then finally the item number. So that's the way we're doing our grouping. We've also set some initial chart settings for you to kind of give you an example. In this case, we're charting out dollars sold, dollars rented, and then total sales and rentals. And again, this is looking at across all of your fiscal years that you have on file. Now, in this video, I want to show you a quick way where you can go out and create your own custom view and then save it and have it available for future use. And in this case, let's do this. Let's look at our top 10 items, the top 10 based on dollars rented for year to date. Okay, so fiscal year 2014. To do this, I'm going to go into my filter builder and I'm going to add a filter. We're going to filter on the fiscal year, and we're going to make that 2014. Okay, so that got rid of all the other fiscal years. I'm just looking at this year. Now what I want to do is change my charting options. So in this case, I was charting multiple things. We're going to eliminate everything except for dollars rented. And the way I'm going to do that is come over here to the series column or the selection box, and we're going to get rid of this check mark for dollars sold. And we're going to get rid of this one for total sales and rentals. So I'm leaving the dollars rented as checked. So that's what we're going to look at. Now, you'll notice here I've got sorted, and there's no sorting in place. We need to do that. We're going to sort by dollars rented. And it's going to default to descending order. Okay, so that's what we're seeing here. Now, there's a lot of things on here. This is top 24. I want to make this a top 10 list. So the first thing I'm going to do is change the data points per page. We're at the maximum 24. I'm going to reduce that to 10. Okay. Now I'm going to change my title, top 10 items. And we're going to say based on dollars rented year to date. Okay, so this is my chart title. Okay, this is not the file name. But the thing to note about this is an active file. So as transactions are flowing through the system, we can always come back to this report later, and it will reflect the top 10 as it relates to that current snapshot. Okay, so this is using real data there. So now that I've made these changes, I do want to go in and save the setting. We're going to do that. Save the setting. This is where we're going to give it a title. Okay, so now I've titled out the setting, and I'm going to save it as a public setting and hit OK. And if I come up here to my settings list, I'll see that it's been added here, along with some others that I've done previously. So that is the new BIE view. You've seen a little bit about the default, the standard view that it comes when you install the new IRD. But then you've seen how easy it is to go in and create your own custom views for use in the future. I hope you found this information helpful to you, folks. Take care.